Here's another exciting flashcard, Sarah. Tell me, what do you see happening here?
It looks like two players are engaged in a laser tag game. The boy in the foreground is aiming his laser gun, and the girl in the background is also targeting someone.
A perfect description. Let's apply our idiomatic phrasal verbs. Starting with the boy aiming his gun, which phrasal verb could describe him preparing to shoot?
He's lining up his shot.
Line up is spot on. It means to align or position something carefully. What about the way they're moving around the arena? How can we describe that using a phrasal verb?
They are dashing around the obstacles and barriers.
Exactly. Dash around means to move quickly from one place to another, which fits their fast-paced movements. Now, consider the strategy involved in their gameplay. What phrasal verb might describe how they choose their hiding spots or plan their moves?
They might size up the arena to plan their next move.
Size up means to assess or evaluate, which is crucial in strategizing. If the boy spots an opportunity to make a winning shot, what phrasal verb describes his quick decision to take the shot?
He jumps at the chance to score.
Jump at is perfect. It means to seize an opportunity eagerly and without hesitation. Lastly, after the game ends and they reflect on how exciting it was, what phrasal verb could describe their reaction to wanting to play again?
They would sign up for another game.
Sign up means to register or enroll, a fitting choice for their eagerness to continue playing. Great work today, Sarah. You're really getting the hang of using these phrasal verbs dynamically in various scenarios.
Thanks, Mr. Davis. These lessons really spice up my English practice, and I feel like I'm catching on more with each session.
That's fantastic to hear, Sarah. Let's keep up the good work, and I'm sure you'll continue to improve and feel even more confident in your English skills.